All right, let's take a look at using the equals method to compare two strings. So in this code, what we have is two strings defined, string 1 and string 2. String 1 is equal to ABC, and string 2, notice, is ABC with a bunch of trailing spaces. Now if we use the equal sign, we're comparing string 1 and string 2, and there's going to be a data conversion that occurs, and we're going to see that according to the equal sign, the comparison of string 1 and string 2 is going to be that they are indeed the same value. It automatically truncates any trailing spaces when evaluate the expression. However, when we use the equals method on the string, so we're saying if string 1 equals string 2, so we're applying the equals method to string 1, and the one we want to compare to or use to compare is string 2. If that is true, then we will see that they are not the same value because of those trailing spaces in the string 2 variable. So if we just run this, we can get a sense that in the first instance with the equal sign, it is saying that they are the same value, and that's because those white spaces are being automatically truncated when we're comparing with the equal sign. When we use the equals method on the string, you can see that it's saying they're not the same value because it is comparing the entire string one to the other. Now let's try something slightly different. Let's copy this equals if statement, and let's also try a different method, equals ignore case, and let's change the value of our string to make string 1 ABC and string 2 ABC, and we'll move our quotes there. All right, so let's go ahead and compile this, and we'll run it. And we can see here that first, when we're using the equal sign, they're not equal. When we're using equals, they're not equal because we're comparing using the case. But when we use equals ignore case, notice that they are the same value. And so you can use equals ignore case on your strings, comparing them to just ignore the character case.